I like my students to be involved with the community, and we had this opportunity to come and help paint these murals.
I've been privileged to work on this project for a number of years, and we're so pleased that in recent times we partnered with the City of McAllen, who has been a tremendous resource to help us improve the site as you see it today.
Definitely that the unity here is beautiful because there's people of like all races here. And I think art can unite people because there's no binaries in art. It's literally whatever you see is beautiful and whatever you can do is beautiful.
I've always been interested in painting and all types of like art things. I'm very like creative with stuff I do, so this was it caught my attention.
Like this project is so important because like the murals are about hope, love, unity, and faith. And I think that this is so beautiful to express it.